Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create this cutout video transition on CapCut PC. Now you can do this with other items as well, but I am just going to use a person for this because it's easier to select like the remove background, but you can use other apps to remove the background because you'll need to do that. Select a video, and I'm just going to trim off the end. Then you're just going to add in a video on top, and you're going to copy and paste that. I'm actually going to put this in the middle, and I'm going to put this video here. I'm just going to also turn off main track magnet. Select this video here, go to cutout and select auto cutout. Oh, actually it's fine if I left it here, because I am going to freeze frame the first few frames and kind of make it into a video transition, but you kind of want to put it at the edge. Really, you don't want a lot of it on the previous video like that. You can add in an animation, maybe like the rock vertically one, like that. And you can keep on adding stuff to it, like adding more videos to the right if you'd like to. And it's also better if you have more than one object, so you can add 1, 2, 3 cutouts. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!